Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best table saw under 500 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SKIL TS630700 10-inch Jobsite saw. This SKIL 10-inch table saw hits the sweet spot for budget, power, and control. The 15-amp motor is strong enough for 2x lumber, sheet goods, and deck boards. The folding stand is stable yet easy to move. The rack and pinion fence is the star. It stays square and locks fast. For many users, that alone makes it a top pick for the best table saw under 500. The guard and riving knife are simple to adjust. The table is flat and smooth. Assembly is quick, and the onboard storage keeps tools in reach. In my testing, this model stays accurate after many cuts. The fence tracks well. The bevel action is smooth. The miter gauge is basic, but it is usable for quick work. Dust collection is fine with a shop vac. The stand folds without a fight. If you want safe, straight rips without fighting your fence, start here. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT DWE7491RS 10-inch saw. The DWE7491RS is a job site legend for its power and huge 32-watt 2-inch rip capacity. The rolling stand is durable and easy to move. The rack and pinion fence is very accurate. It locks in tight and runs true. The 10-inch blade with a 15-amp motor cuts hardwood and thick ply with ease. The table is flat and the throat plate is well supported. Dust collection is good with a vac. This model sits above $500 most days, but sales do pop up. If you spot it near the best table saw under 500 mark, it is a steal. Pros who move from site to site love the stand and fence. The guard system is tool-free. The blade height and bevel wheels are smooth. The miter gauge is better than many stock units, but most users upgrade. Noise is high, but it is a job site saw. If you cut wide trim, doors, or large sheets, this saw saves time. At number 3, we have the Evolution R10TS 10-inch job site saw. The Evolution R10TS targets users who cut more than wood. It ships with a 10-inch TCT blade that can cut wood, thin steel, aluminum, and plastic. That makes it a smart pick for job site tasks and DIY metal framing. The 15-amp motor has steady torque. The 26-inch rip capacity is enough for many cabinet parts and shelves. As a best table saw under 500 option, it stands out for multi-material work. The fence is solid for the price, and the table is flat enough for trim work and shop projects. I like that the bevel range is 0-45 degrees with a clear scale. The blade guard and riving knife keep kickback in check. The fence has decent repeatability. For frequent metal cuts, use slower feed and the right blade. Dust collection is fair with a vac attached. The saw is portable and easy to store. At number 2, we have the 10-inch 15A table saw with stand. This 10-inch 15-amp table saw focuses on simple power and a large tabletop. The 36x 25-inch surface gives you more room to support workpieces. The stand is basic but stable when set up right. The saw includes a blade guard and a riving knife for safety. Bevel cuts from 0-45 degrees and a claimed 5,000 RPM motor speed help deliver clean rips in softwood and ply. For users hunting for the best table saw under 500, this is a low-cost way to get a full-size blade and generous support area. It is a good fit for DIY jobs like fence boards, shelving, and light furniture builds. The fence is serviceable with careful setup, and the miter gauge is functional. Dust collection may need a reducer and a strong vac. And finally, at number 1, we have the SKIL SPT9911 worm drive table saw. The SKIL SPT9911 uses a worm drive gearing system. It packs serious torque and a durable build. The stand has large wheels and rolls well on rough ground. Rip capacity is generous. The fence is accurate and the table is solid. This saw is a standout for heavy-duty work. It is a staple on job sites. That said, it often sits well above $500. If you see a rare price drop, it becomes a dream best table saw under $500 fine for power users. It excels at ripping thick hardwood and wet pressure-treated lumber. The motor keeps speed under load. The blade height and bevel adjustments are smooth and robust. The miter gauge is usable, but most pros upgrade. Dust collection is fair, but airflow helps. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.